वेलकम टू माइंड पोर्टल चैनल क्यूज वीडियो। इस क्यूज वीडियो में हम अपकमिंग CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड पर्सनल के कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करने से पहले चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर ले फॉर अपकमिंग वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन। This story was given by Robert F. Foxy. A. Industrial democracy, non-revolutionary. B. Social psychological. C. Capitalism approach. D. Anti-capitalism, revolutionary. Answer is A. Industrial democracy, non-revolutionary. Thus denotes the absence of an employee when he is scheduled to work. A. Labor turnover. B. Absenteeism. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Absenteeism. Recognition of the trade union was made by the provision of A. Trade Union Act 1926, B. Industrial Dispute Act 1947, C. Code of Discipline, D. Factories Act 1948. Answer is C. Code of Discipline. The International Labour Organization was established in A. 1919, B. in 1920, C. 1929, D. 1949. Answer is A. 1919. That is a process in which representatives of workers and employers are brought together before a third person with a view to come to a mutually satisfying agreement. A. Conciliation. B. Merger. C. Diversification. D. Expansion. Answer is A. Conciliation. Das is a person appointed voluntarily if the dispute is not settled by conciliation. A. Bidder. B. Arbitrator. C. Nominee. D. Representative. Answer arbitrator. Das is another name of compulsory arbitration. A. Adjudication. B. Amortization. C. Dissolution. D. Friction. Answer is A. Adjudication. Das is a work stoppage in which an employer prevents employees from working. A. Strike. B. Gherav. C. Picketing. D. Lockout. Answer is D. Lockout. Reduction of labor force is called A. Termination. B. Retrenchment. C. Layoff. D. Right sizing. Answer is B. Retrenchment. When employees resort to unauthorized strike in violation of the labor contract agreement is called A. Pen down. B. Tools down. C. Sit in strike. D. Wildcat strike. Answer is D. Wildcat strike. Which of the following dispute setters cannot make a binding decisions? A. Arbitrator. B. Adjudicator. C. Conciliator. D. Industrial tribunal member. Answer is C. Conciliator. Registration of trade union is to be made by Code of Discipline. B. Industrial Dispute Act 1947. C. Trade Union Act 1926. D. Factory Act 1948. Answer is C. Trade Union Act 1926. What is the minimum number of trade union members required for registration? A. 7. B. 10. C. 5. D. 15. Answer is A. 7. Which act requires employers in industrial establishment to define the condition of employment? A. The Factories Act 1948. B. The Trade Union Act 1926. C. The Industrial Employment Standing Order Act 1946. D. The Industrial Disputes Act 1947. Answer is C. The Industrial Employment Standing Orders Act 1946. In India, which act ensure adequate safety measure and promotes health and welfare of workers in factories? A. The Trade Union Act 1926. B. The Industrial Dispute Act 1947. C. The Factories Act 1948. D. The Workers' Compensation Act 1923. Answer is C. The Factories Act 1948. The Industrial Employment Act 1946 applies to every establishment employing A. 100 workmen, B. 150 workmen, C. 150 or more workmen, D. 100 or more workmen. Answer is D. 100 or more workmen. Which are not the characteristic of grievance? A. Factual, B. Fabricated, C. Disguised, D. Imaginary. Answer is B. Fabricated. The structure of ILO includes A. An international labour conference, B. A governing body, C. An international labour office, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Workers' Facilitation Centre shall be set up by the facilitating agency under the A. Payment of Bonus Act 1965, B. Equal Remuneration Act 1976, C. Factories Act 1948. D. The Unorganized Sector Workers Social Security Act 2005. Answer is D. The Unorganized Sector Workers Social Security Act 2005. The Constitution of India upholds the principal freedom of association as a fundamental right enunciated by A. Indian Ministry of Labour and Employment, B. International Labour Organization, C. Trade unions, D. None of these. Answer is B. International Labour Organizations. The geography flowing is not a mode of workers' participation in management. A. Works Committee. B. Employees Stock Option Plan. C. Joint Management Council. D. Joint Committee for Policy Formulation. Answer is B. Employee Stock Option Plan. Which of the following is not a bipartite body? A. Works Committee. B. Canteen Committee. C. Safety Committee. D. Standing Labour Committee. Answer is D. Standing Labour Committee. Which one of the following is not a tripartite body? A. Indian Labour Conference. B. Standing Labour Committee. C. Joint Management Council. D. Minimum Wages Advisory Body. Answer is C. Joint Management Council. In which type of collective bargaining workers lose something instead of gaining? A. Concessionary bargaining. B. Coalition bargaining. C. Productivity bargaining. D. All of this. Answer is A. Concessionary bargaining. The person appointed by the government to settle the dispute presented in labor court is known as A. Presiding officer, B. Officiate, C. Substitute officer, D. Arbitrate. Answer is A. Presiding officer.